everyone, happy Monday. So as Molly discussed last week, this month is National Wellness Month, and today I'm going to be focusing on nutrition. So my clients ask me all the time how to make a nutritious smoothie and what ingredients get put in it. So it's different for everybody, tailor it to your taste, but this smoothie that I'm going to show you is going to make a great pre-made breakfast on the go, post-workout smoothie, or just a nutritious snack throughout your day. So let me go through some ingredients that I put in my smoothies. So I use some frozen fruit as the base. I mix it up all the time. Right now I'm using mangoes and blueberries. I put about half a cup in each into the blender. And then I normally add another more fresh fruit like a banana. People can also use strawberries, kiwis, so many things. I just happen to have bananas, so I put a fresh banana in there. Lots of potassium, lots of great natural sugars in there. I also put in some protein powder, just a scoop, because generally I use it for a pre-made breakfast on the go, so I really want to get that protein at the beginning of my day. And then last two ingredients I put in, super simple smoothie. I use some yogurt. Honestly, it's whatever's on sale. I use vanilla, not a big deal. People overthink smoothies all the time. Unless you're trying to have specific athletic performance goals, just make a smoothie that you like that has good ingredients. And then last time, I love cinnamon, so I put a bunch of cinnamon in there. Apart from the half a cup of frozen fruit, I really just kind of put stuff in for your desired texture. If you want it thicker, I also put in vanilla almond milk. I forgot to take that out, but I put in vanilla almond milk. I make smoothies for me and my boyfriend. He has a dairy thing. So it totally depends on your preferences. You can totally use regular milk, no issues. So I'm literally just gonna throw everything in the blender and I'll show you the smoothie. All right, so the smoothie is blended and ready to go. So like I said, with about half a cup of each ingredient, so the mangoes and the blueberries frozen, the whole medium banana, about a half a cup of the yogurt, and about a quarter to half of the cup of the vanilla almond milk, depending on how thick or runny you want it. That makes me 2 smoothies. So one of them is a little bit smaller, and I can put this in the fridge. You can make it for somebody else. You can have it right now. And then this one is going to be my tomorrow smoothie for my on-the-go breakfast. So this is a pretty big container. So this would make about 2 full and normal cups. And there you have maybe a post-workout snack smoothie and breakfast tomorrow. It's delicious. You can mix in whichever fruits or veggies. You can add veggies. I didn't happen to have any spinach, but spinach is a great way to add some vegetables in your day as well. So if you have any questions or you want more recipes, just let me know. Email the Freddie Mac Fitness Center.